All right, so I hope you guys are loving the little hummingbird that comes in this month's Kiwi Club Kit. It's super cute and even cuter when she cut it out. Now, with that said, I wanted to show you just, if you're looking at these little detail ruffles on the feathers here, just I want to show you it actually being cut out just to kind of ease the mind if needed. But it's actually really, really simple. And you can't tell too much of the detail, and yet I feel like that little bit of texture does make a difference. So let's go ahead and just trace and cut one out together, right? And you'll notice that I actually didn't even draw the line on some of my samples, this little guideline right here. I'm gonna go ahead and do that really quickly so we can see that being added. And personally, I'm not even sure, just depending on the sample you're doing, if you need to do that with the guideline. All right, so I'm taking a scrap of paper, making sure I'm utilizing it the best I can. I think I can get it out of this piece right here, so I'm gonna do that because I want to stretch my paper. I have a couple cards I want to make. All right, so let's go ahead and trace it out. So see, when you're tracing it out, you can feel that. You just kind of let your pencil guide along it, okay? So I'm gonna hold it down, and then I'm just gonna let my pencil do its thing. So as long as your pencil's sharp, right? And then on the beak, just kind of follow it, and then that's it. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and detach it from my scrap of paper. And I'm gonna cut this out. So you'll follow the body of the hummingbird, right? And then you just kind of like this. Now, when it gets to the details of the scallopy on the feathers, you just kind of, I don't even think you need to do it as perfect with being exactness on the line. Use them as a guide, but just kind of go like this with your hand. Push the scissors or push the paper to the back of your scissors and then just move back and forth. And then I'll go over and then on the back of my scissors, and I'll just do it again. Like so. Okay, and then of course when you go to ink it, that's really gonna help too. So I'm gonna ink those edges up. And I guess the good thing is you don't really need perfect cuts on those. You're just kind of zigging or moving away on those, and it's really simple, actually kind of fun too. So, and that is how you cut out a hummingbird. Now I'm just going to add a little eye. I'm going to add something for the eye and one over here, and we're done.